Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP Omen 30L desktop driver, download and install. So open any browser, then Google search box to type this one. Okay, then this is go to support.hp.com. This is the officially website. Open new tab. Okay, you if you want to change the operating system, okay, so you can change and update. Then this is BIOS diagnostic driver audio and like all different are available. So first of all, audio driver. Okay, click to download. Then if you install more, otherwise you can click to download, otherwise you can download more driver. Then again come to this page. Then guys try to chipset, same, click to download. Then graphic card, so try this one, AMD. Network, this is your Bluetooth driver, this is your Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so try both and then install the file. To click to open this, then click to yes. Next, I accept the condition, then next. Okay, so like you install it.